So we made it to the top, and it took around 2.5 hours, and check out this view. Welcome to Mt.Ibushi! Woo! Dixo! I never met anybody like Kosuke. This guy is smoking while hiking. And he says he's tired, but he's still smoking. So we hiked for 1 hour so far and we're dying.
We are dying.
Yeah, she knew. That means we're dying. This was all straight uphill, super steep. But very beautiful. You still see the snow. Peace. See you at the top. There's a lot of snow here, but it's still pretty warm. Really nice. It's the end of March already and there's so much snow. So we only have 2,000 meters left to go. And this guy is smoking again. But we're having a blast. As you can see, we're still surviving, even though it's snow everywhere and it's super steep, or super deep, the snow. Look at this. What are you doing? You're gonna jump? What? Okay. Ikso! Whoa! Almost there. 1,500 meters more. Good news, I think we're almost at the top. Just a little bit more to go. Wow, look at this. How do you feel?
I feel so good.
So good? Me too. Look at this. Oh wow. So beautiful. Look at this little Hello Kitty. Only in Japan. Hello Kitty. So I just slipped and check out how deep the snow is. It's up to my knee. Oh. So it's getting dark. The sun is gone. Still got 1,000 meters to go. So tired right now. Hopefully it doesn't get dark. There's the car. We got back before it turned completely dark. That's the end of the hike. Oh, so tired. Oh, but the view was great. What are you doing? Ah, smart. How was the hike?
I'm so tired.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's it. See you next time.